And welcome back to India Weekly. Let's talk money now, or perhaps the lack of it. The continuing devaluation of the Indian rupee is hitting the middle class hard, and to cope with rising costs, many have cut back on non-essentials like dining out or travel. But one thing that Indian consumers simply can't seem to do without is, of course, gold.
The weakening rupee has led to a 20% increase in monthly expenditure for the Indian middle class. Many have been trying all sorts of ways to stretch their dollar by resorting to cheaper alternatives.
अनावश्यक रूप से जो बाहर घूमना फिरना है या बाइक उठाई कार उठाई चल दी कहीं घूमने, उन सब पे थोड़ा रोक लगानी पड़ेगी। रेस्टोरेंट वगैरह थोड़ा जाना कम करना पड़ेगा और जो फिजूल खर्ची है उसको भी कम करना पड़ेगा। इसी तरह से हम जो है महंगाई से लड़ सकते हैं।
According to the SOCHAM survey, around 78% of middle-class Indians have cut back on entertainment and eating out to manage their limited monthly budgets. Many of them have stopped splurging on branded clothes and household appliances, and some have even put their plan of buying a new car on hold. Before the rupee started depreciating, these consumers used to spend about $85 to $100 monthly. But now they spend about $47, which is nearly a 65% cut from their earlier expenditure. The tumbling rupee has also affected the plans of many students aspiring to study abroad, as the travel and living expenditure has risen exponentially. But one thing that has not changed, despite the government's repeated efforts, is Indians' obsession with gold.
What we see is that the sale of the gold in this country still continues to grow, and this has happened because traditionally Indians have, and the middle class have always valued gold as a commodity for investment, a long-term investment, and traditionally also they believe that it is very auspicious, and so there are sociological issues related to the purchase of the gold.
The rupee's fall has further fueled the crisis of the Indian middle class, who are now struggling under the inflationary pressure to make ends meet. While household budgets have been tweaked, the price rise has also affected their savings. Although the Indian government has been trying to curb the rising prices, this has proved to be a mammoth task. Avneet Arora for Channel News Asia, India.